What's up, everybody? We are back for another NASCAR vlog right here on the Go with CeeLo. We're in the pits tonight for the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series Allegiance 200. Let's go check it out. It's Tom right there, Nathan, and we got Brian. The truck garage. We're about to go to pre-race ceremonies here in just a second. It's been raining. As you see, it's overcast. But I think it's about time to go. All right.
I've never been this close.
Yep. Butterbean Queen.
There it is. I lied, dude.
Butterbean. Ty Majeski. Frankie Muniz. Carruth there, down here in the 7 truck. Raja's in the Spire truck tonight. Stuart Friesen as well. Watermelon Man. Chastain. There he is. He's my pick to win tonight. Lap there, and he got C. Bell hanging out with him too as well. Time to get out. Pre-race ceremonies are over, but it is falling from the sky, so we'll see what happens. We're gonna hang out here anyways. So Nathan's very first time in the pits. Here. But we'll see how it goes. So we got about an hour and a half rain delay, so we're gonna go out front of the track and take a look at some of the merch. And we're gonna get our headsets too for tonight too. Looks like it's gonna be done raining here pretty soon. We're gonna dry the track and get going. All right, out front, we got our scanners. We're good to go. Now we're gonna take a look at some merch since we got a little bit of time while they dry. Remember ya, Cowbush. Well, it's a ghost town out here. Rain delay at the truck race. Everything is closed. Even the haulers are closed. We were surprised. The only place open is the official souvenirs. And they got all the Cracker Barrel stuff, some hats and cool shit. Yeah, really cool. They got pins, and this flag's pretty cool right here. We found the owner of Sharkblood right here, Eli. He found me out of the blue. That's awesome to see that. So there he is. This is the Sharkblood clan. This is the one that started it all. He's the one that we called Sharkblood all the time. It's all his fault. Yep. That's right. Track drying has started. It's like we're gonna go to racing at 10 p.m. tonight, Central. That should be interesting. All right, we took a little break. We hung out at turn 4 for a little bit, and then we took Tom home. The old man had to go to bed. And now we're going back to pits. Trucks are fired up, they're going around. Just trying to dry it out for a little bit more, but we should be going back to green here in just a second. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. It's not been much, but I hope you guys like it. All right, welcome back. Check it out. 150 laps, 200 miles here at the Nashville Superspeedway. Lane Riggs and Caden Honeycutt on the Lane Riggs on the pole and Honeycutt on the outside. Lap 1 about to go down here in just a second. Here we go, green flag, green flag. is the first stage. We're gonna be down here for the leader's pit. As we're here in the 34 pit stall. We're gonna watch a pit stop right here. Take a look at it. Chastain right here. You got Lane Riggs right here. You got Palicki right there. All right, get ready for Lane Riggs coming in here to pit the leader. Let's see how it looks. Four tires, and they come in here and investigate it here. So the one side showing the cord right there, you can see it. Look at that. You can see the cord. Parker Retzlaff spins on lap 55. Third floor is pretty cool. They got like a live TV, you got chairs, you got like lifts. You can sit on top of these lifts and watch the race. You got plenty of tables here. Of course, it'll be 10 times busier tomorrow. But Raja Caruth right now is the leader with 27 to go. We did a live stream for a little bit. That was fun. The signal kind of sucked. But we got like 20 some laps to go. We're gonna go see who wins this thing, and we're gonna go to victory lane afterward. Down in the 7 truck pit stall, Caruth, the Spire 7, and he's leading the race by half a second. 10 laps to go. 10 laps to 9 laps to go. Caruth getting chased by Chandler Smith by under a half a second. All of a sudden, Lane Riggs has gained almost a second and a half, and he is coming. And Lane Riggs is going to win it. Back to back for Riggs.
So it's all tires.
He was 2.5 seconds back with 10 laps to go. And he was on the freshest tires. Raja was not. But a good run for Raja. That toward the last lap there, the 38 and the 34 were chasing him down. And Lane Riggs wins it. Nut. Now the fun begins to pack everything up and head back to North Carolina. Not waiting tired.
Say. Pollock himself.
Jet ski. All right, that'll do it. Had a good time. Lane Riggs dominated that race, made the last second pass to win. I didn't pick Lane Riggs. You didn't either. Who did you pick?
Nobody.
Nobody. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know it was kind of crazy, but we're here all weekend, so appreciate you. Hit the like, subscribe for more NASCAR content. And on the go with CeeLo. See ya.